Embroidery has long been a cherished method in apparel decoration. But traditional embroidery can be time-consuming and costly, especially for large or intricate designs. What if you could achieve that same high-end embroidered look using digital design? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a realistic faux embroidery effect in Adobe Photoshop, perfect for custom heat transfers. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Photoshop Beta and create a new document. Make sure your dimensions match your intended print size. For this example, 5 inches by 5 inches at 300 dpi will ensure high resolution at a left chest print size. For easy placement on apparel, set the background to transparent. Next, import your logo or create a text-based design. If you're using a logo from Illustrator, bring it in as a smart object to maintain scalability. Then, convert your text or shape to a rasterized layer by navigating to Layer and selecting Rasterize. Now, let's apply the embroidery effect. With your design layer selected, go to the Parametric Filter section and choose Embroidery. Here, you can fine-tune settings like stitch density, thread thickness, and texture depth. Try experimenting with different thread colors and shading options to make your design pop. To enhance realism, adjust the Parametric Properties panel. Increase stitch density for a tighter look, or reduce it for a looser, more textured effect. You can also refine individual colors, adding satin, twill, or split stitches for a more dynamic, layered appearance. For even more realism, add depth with layer styles. Double-click your layer, go to Bevel and Emboss, and adjust the settings. Set Style to Inner Bevel. Choose Chisel Hard for the technique. Adjust depth to between 100 and 200%, and set the angle to 120 degrees for natural lighting. This subtle effect enhances the embroidered feel, making the stitches appear raised and dimensional. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to prep for printing. Convert the file to CMYK mode for accurate color representation. Then, save your file as a high-resolution PNG with a transparent background. This format works best for heat transfers, ensuring a crisp, professional finish. And that's it. By using Adobe Photoshop's parametric filters, you can create stunning faux embroidery effects, offering a cost-effective and efficient alternative to traditional embroidery. If you don't have access to Photoshop Beta, consider reaching out to a professional heat transfer service for assistance. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more design tutorials. See you next time.